Good morning students, welcome back to Maths class. Have you all done your Maths homework? Yes. Let us check the solutions for previous day home assignment. Exercise 1.4, third Roman letter. Write the mathematical expression for the following statements. First question, the product of A and B is 3 times the difference of C and D. The product of A and B is left hand side A into B, which is equal to 3 times the difference of C and D. Difference of C and D is C minus D. 3 times, which means that 3 into C minus D. Second question, the excess of A over B. Answer is B minus A. Third one, number of months in n years. The number of months in a year is 12. So answer is 12 into n. 3 times x is greater than half of y. 3 times of x is 3x, which is greater than half of y. Last question, 3 consecutive numbers, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Let the first number be x, then the consecutive numbers are x plus 1, x plus 2. Have you all got the correct answers? Yes. Previous class we have learnt about converting statements into mathematical expressions. In today's class we are going to learn about algebraic identities. What do you mean by an algebraic identity? An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any value of its variables. For example, an algebraic identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For instance, the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Now substitute the values in the identity. This LHS should be equal to RHS. So a plus b the whole square, the value of a is 2 and the value of b is 3. Substitute the values, you will get the answer as 25. Similarly, in the RHS also, substitute the value of a as 2 and b as 3, get the value 25. For any values of a and b, this LHS should be equal to RHS. That is an identity. Since an identity holds for all values of its variables, it is possible to substitute instances of one side of the equality with the other side of the equality. For example, we can replace any instances of a plus b the whole square with a square plus 2ab plus b square and vice versa. Clever use of identities offers shortcuts to many problems. First, let us solve the identity. Identity 1, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now take the LHS. A plus b the whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b. A square you can write it as a into a, no? Similarly, a plus b the whole square you can write it as a plus b into a plus b. So this is multiplication of two compound expressions you already learnt. So with this a you multiply the second expression. Similarly with this b you should multiply this second expression. A into the second expression a plus b into the second expression a plus b. Now multiply this a with the terms inside the bracket. A into a is a square plus a into b is ab. Here b into a is ba, which is equal to ab, plus b into b is b square. This is a square. ab plus ab is plus 2ab plus b square, which is your RHS of the identity. So you have reached the RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the first identity is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is it clear? Let us solve the second identity. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now take the LHS. A minus b the whole square is equal to, you can write a minus b the whole square as a minus b into a minus b. A into a minus b. The second term is minus b into a minus b. Multiply this a with the terms inside the bracket. A into a is a square, plus into minus minus a into b is ab. Multiply this minus b with the terms inside the bracket. Minus into plus is minus, b into a is ba, which is also equal to ab. Minus into minus plus, b into b is b square. This is minus ab minus ab. So you can add and write the same sign. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now you have reached the RHS. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So LHS equal to RHS. So your second identity is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, third identity, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now you are taking this RHS, a plus b into a minus b. Now multiply this a with the second expression, then with this b multiply the second expression. A into the second expression is a minus b plus b into the second expression is a minus b. Multiply this a with the terms inside the bracket. A into a is a square, plus into minus minus, a into b is ab. Similarly, plus into plus is plus, b into a is ba, which is equal to ab, plus into minus minus, b into b is b square. Now this is minus ab and plus ab. These two terms get cancelled. So the remaining terms are a square minus b square. So which is your LHS. So in this identity also LHS is equal to RHS. So we have proved that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what is your first identity? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What's your second identity? A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And your third identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now based on this identity, we are going to solve problems. Example 1, verify a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square by taking a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Now let us solve this one. The value of a they given in the question is 3 and the value of b is 2. Now substitute these values in the LHS. LHS is a plus b the whole square. Now substitute the values of a and b. A is 3 and b is 2. 3 plus 2 the whole square is 5 square. 5 square is 25. Now take the RHS. RHS is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square is 3 square plus 2 into a is 3 and b is 2 plus b square is 2 square. So the value of 3 square is 9 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. The value of 2 square is 4. Now you add the value of 9, 12 and 4, you will get the answer as 25. So you got the answer of LHS also 25 and RHS also 25. So you can write it as LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? The second example, evaluate 99 square minus 98 square. 99 square minus 98 square, this is similar to the identity 3a square minus b square. So what's the value of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. The value of a is 99 and b is 98. So they are given 99 square minus 98 square, which is equal to, based on the identity, a plus b into a minus b. So here a is 99 plus 98 into a minus b is 99 minus 98. 99 plus 98 is 197. 99 minus 98 is 1. 197 into 1 is 197. This bracket stands for multiplication. So you got the answer as 99 square minus 98 square, which is equal to 197. Can you understand, children? Yes. You can copy down today's home assignment now. Thank you.